Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add an Apple ID. First, connect to Wi-Fi or enable cellular so activation and verification complete quickly. Next, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. If you don't have an Apple ID, tap Create Apple ID and follow prompts. Enter your email, strong password, and birthday. Once done, verify your email when prompted and accept terms. Make sure two-factor can reach you. Add a trusted phone number now so future sign-ins succeed without delay. After signing in, you'll see prompts to verify identity. Enter the code Apple sends to your trusted device or number. Once verified, go to Settings, your name, password, and security to enable two-factor authentication if not already on. This protects purchases and data. Then select iCloud options, toggle Photos, iCloud Drive, and Backup depending on what to sync. For purchases, visit Payment and Shipping to add a card. You can skip now and add later. These steps tie your device to Apple services securely. To finish, confirm iCloud services are active and run an initial backup manually in Settings so your data is safe. Next, open App Store and sign into purchases, and enable Find My in case the phone is lost. If sign-in fails, use the Forgot Password flow to reset your Apple ID password, or start account recovery if you can't access trusted devices. If verification codes don't arrive, reboot the iPhone and check network. Make sure the trusted phone number is correct and reachable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.